Hi. Go away, Chimmies. Go away, Chimmies. You're alright. Good girl. There's Colby. He's a little chunk. Kind of hard to tell movement at 6 weeks, but at 8 weeks, I'm able to tell more. Thanks, Chimmy. Just bang into the camera. Alright, Colby girl. Colby's eyes are going to be amber. Brie, still kind of, the jury's out on her. Not sure. Looks like she might have part of a blue eye, but it still could change. This is my other little favorite because she's a good girl too. Go on. That's Whizzer. She's a really pretty red, but she's a try. Guys, you are no help whatsoever. Hey, sorry. No. Stop. Okay, we're starting to slow down and get tired now. There's little Queso. There's Nacho's butt. That would be naughty little Vita. No, sorry. That's naughty little Squeeze. Naughty little Brie beating up poor little Colby who's got the hiccups. Sweet little